Next, let's talk about the Loop Cut tool. Using a loop cut allows you to insert a new edge loop along an existing edge. Let's select the Loop Cut tool. When you hover your cursor over the mesh, a preview of the loop cut will appear. First, decide the direction of the loop and confirm it with a left click. Now the loop cut has been inserted exactly at the center of the edge. If you left click and drag right after that, you can insert the loop cut at any position along the edge. Once you've placed the loop cut, try increasing the number of cuts in the pop-up menu. This will add more loop cuts based on the one you just inserted. If you want to start by inserting multiple loops, you can increase the number of cuts from the options in the top left corner. That way, the loop cut will be inserted with the set number of segments right from the beginning. The hotkey is Ctrl+R. Be careful, it's not L for loop, but R. When using the hotkey, the operation feels a bit different from using the tool, so let's go over that. Press Ctrl+R, and the loop cut preview will appear. Hover over where you want to insert the loop, then scroll your mouse wheel. This will increase or decrease the number of loops, so you can visually confirm the number as you adjust. Once you've decided, left-click to confirm the position. At this point, if you right-click, the loop will snap to the center, dividing the edge evenly. Next, click and hold on the Loop Cut tool and choose the Offset Edge Loop Cut tool. This tool adds new edge loops on both sides of the selected loop. However, this only works properly if the selected edge forms a loop. So make sure you've selected a continuous edge loop before using this tool. To select an edge loop, hold Alt and click the edge. Then, drag anywhere on the mesh to insert loops on both sides. That said, you can actually do the same thing using the Bevel tool for a quicker result. First, insert a single loop cut using Ctrl+R. Since the edge loop is now selected, press Ctrl+B to apply a bevel. This will divide the area based on the selected edge loop. Before confirming with a left click, scroll the mouse wheel to add a single edge loop in the center. This way you can quickly recreate the same effect using hotkeys.